Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a great content manager? Are you looking for a comprehensive guide on this exciting and challenging career path? In this video, we'll explore the journey of becoming a content manager, including all the steps and strategies necessary to excel in this role. From defining your job responsibilities as a content manager to the pros and cons of this job, we'll guide you through each step of the process. Ready to get started? Let's dive into our ultimate guide to becoming a great content manager. What is a content manager? Content management is creating, organizing, and managing content across all digital channels. As a content manager, you'll be responsible for curating and overseeing all types of information to ensure it meets your organization's goals and objectives. A content manager is also responsible for developing and maintaining a content strategy, making editorial decisions, overseeing content production, and ensuring that it is accurate and up to date. Content managers usually specialize in a specific type of content, such as blog posts, videos, ebooks, web pages, and other media types. They must be organized and have strong communication skills to coordinate with other departments and stakeholders. Digital marketing and social media management is a field of study that is becoming increasingly important in content management. Content managers must be able to understand data and analytics to track the success of their content. What does a content manager do? Here are some of the tasks commonly associated with a content manager: crafting compelling copy for web pages, blog posts, social media accounts, and more. Developing creative ideas for content campaigns that engage readers. Ensuring all created content is relevant to the company's brand and ideal customer. Optimizing SEO performance of existing and new pages with relevant keywords. Managing a team of writers, designers, and other creative professionals to ensure the production of high-quality content. Analyzing the success of content initiatives and developing strategies for improvement. Being a content manager is no easy feat. It takes an incredibly creative mind and skillful organization skills to be successful. Content marketing is a key component to the success of any business, and it requires a knowledgeable content manager to ensure that all efforts are well executed. If you have an eye for detail and an appetite for success, it may be worth looking into becoming a content manager. To learn about content development, check out our previous video. How to be a content manager. Before you can become a content manager, here are the things you need to know. Develop a sharp eye for detail. Content managers must be able to spot errors or inconsistencies quickly and accurately. Understand SEO best practices. The content manager must optimize content for search engines to maximize visibility. Know your way around analytics tools. Measuring the performance of the content you create is essential to ensure it's successful. Have excellent communication skills. Content managers must work with various teams to coordinate efforts and keep everyone on the same page. Be able to think creatively. Content managers must come up with innovative ideas for engaging content that stands out from the competition. Content strategies don't just magically appear, and managing them takes a certain skill set. If you think you have what it takes to be a content manager, get out there and start creating amazing content that your audience will love. A built-in web browser and content management app are just some of the tools you'll need to help make your content successful as a content manager. Good luck! Content security is essential in content management to protect against malware and ransomware. This requirement is also vital in cryptocurrency investments, where safety is paramount. The significance of securely storing your digital assets in cryptocurrency investments cannot be overstated. A good practice is to opt for a reliable and secure hardware wallet. Out of the numerous options, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Are you exhausted from the constant fretting over the safety of your cryptocurrency investments? Look no further than Ledger Wallets, the indisputable gold standard in reliability and security. With Ledger Wallets, you can finally alleviate your concerns and put your mind at ease. Why gamble with anything else? Leap and embrace Ledger Wallets today for the ultimate peace of mind. To learn about the blogger definition, check out our previous video. The pros and cons of being a content manager. Every job has its ups and downs, and for the content manager, that's no exception. We have listed down some of the pros and cons associated with this role to help you decide if it's something that would suit you. Pros: you get to be creative with your content and use your imagination to create unique, engaging pieces. You have the opportunity to work with a variety of teams across multiple projects. You will be in control of ensuring all content is up to date and accurate. Cons: you might have to deal with tight deadlines. You get to work on exciting projects, from social media campaigns and blog writing to website design and email marketing. Content managers are involved in a variety of tasks that allow for creativity. You develop a high level of responsibility that can sometimes be stressful. If you're looking for a role that offers flexibility and the chance to use your creativity, then content management is definitely worth considering. While it has its challenges, it also brings many opportunities. Audience preferences, trends, and technologies are constantly changing, so you can keep up with the times and ensure your content is always relevant. Plus, you get to work in a fast-paced environment that never ceases to be exciting. So if you're ready to take on the challenge of becoming a content manager, go for it. Key skills and qualities needed to be a content manager. To be a content manager, you must have certain skills and qualities. Here are the top 5. Creative vision. Content managers can create visually appealing and engaging content for their audiences. They should possess a creative eye to help develop unique, captivating pieces of content. Strategic thinking. Thinking strategically is essential for content managers to know how each piece of content fits into the overall strategy and how it contributes to achieving goals. Technical knowledge. Content managers need to have a good understanding of digital marketing, SEO, analytics, and web design to be successful. A technical background helps content managers decide where their content should live online. Organization. Content managers must have excellent organizational skills and be able to manage multiple projects at once. Being organized helps them stay on top of deadlines and ensure that all content meets the highest standards. Communication. Content managers must have excellent communication skills to work effectively with their teams, clients, and audiences. They should be able to convey ideas, share feedback, and provide constructive criticism. Being a content manager is a challenging position, but those who possess these skills and qualities are well equipped to handle the job. With their strategic vision and technical knowledge, content managers can create amazing pieces of content that help their clients succeed. A cross-platform content strategy is also helpful in engaging with existing and potential customers. With the right combination of skills, content managers can create engaging content that resonates with their audiences. Mastering essential skills is vital for achieving success in any field. It also applies to cryptocurrency investments. Among all the necessary skills, developing trading expertise is crucial to yield significant returns. Fortunately, in today's era of technological advancements, numerous innovative solutions are available to help you learn and enhance trading skills. Among these solutions, one valuable tool in the world of trading is technical analysis. Technical analysis is the one tool that can drastically help your trading. Out of the numerous technical analysis tools, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Get ready to elevate your trading experience to new heights with TradingView. This remarkable tool is the key to unlocking success in the stock market. TradingView offers a comprehensive range of features designed specifically for traders that cater to your every need. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your trading journey with TradingView. To learn about the power of content development, check out our previous video. The benefits of a content manager to your business. The benefits of a content manager are numerous. We have listed some key benefits to help you decide if content management is right for your business. Content manager helps generate engaging content. A content manager can help create, curate, and distribute content that resonates with your target audience and drives engagement. It is beneficial when making a consistent brand message across multiple channels. Content manager helps keep your content organized. Content managers can help you keep your content organized so you don't have to search endless folders or tabs to find what you are looking for. It can also help reduce clutter and make it easier to track changes in content over time. Content managers improve SEO rankings. By optimizing content and using the right keywords, content managers can help improve your website and blog SEO rankings. It will make it easier for customers to find you online and help drive more traffic to your site. Content manager saves time. A content manager means that you don't have to spend hours managing the content yourself. Instead, they can take care of it for you, which saves time and allows you to focus on other areas of the business. Content management can be a great asset to any business and help drive more engagement and sales. Content manager responsibilities vary depending on the industry, so make sure you find one well suited to your needs. Final thoughts. Content managers have an important role in modern businesses. They are responsible for creating, curating, and managing content that meets the needs of their target audience. As a content manager, staying up to date with the latest trends, techniques, and technology is essential to ensure that your content is engaging and effective. Content managers must be creative and efficient to produce quality content that will lead to successful outcomes. With the right knowledge, skills, and attitude, anyone can become a successful content manager. So get out there and start creating great content. Thank you for checking out this video about content managers. We hope you now have a better understanding of the role and responsibilities of a content manager. Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.